So it's interesting because we've seen obviously the rise of kind of programmatic and machine-driven advertising over the last few years. And actually there's an argument around increasing use of that. And we see more and more dollars being invested into that area, real-time bidding and display advertising. But it kind of intuitively feels like it's opposed to the sort of other side of our business when it comes to creative and content. It feels very left brain, right brain, data analytics on the one hand, and technology, and kind of creative and content driven approaches on the other. How do we bring those two things together? And I suppose the role of kind of technology in this space is to act as an enabler to bring the more data-driven aspects of digital marketing together with content and the creative aspects, so that we use those two things to deliver the right message to the right audience at the right time. And so things like real-time bidding are a means to help us to do that. As we move into an age where we use more and more of our advertisers' data and combine that and blend it with data that is now available in digital ecosystems at scale, it allows us to create a much deeper engagement with consumers.
And what verticals or sort of brands are you seeing adopt data to develop better creative the fastest and the first?
Sure. Actually, intuitively, you might think that the more sort of performance and direct response oriented advertisers would be the first to grasp at this kind of new world of bringing data and technology together with content and creative. But actually we've seen some of the best examples of this in the more FMCG space. So things like the Oreo Super Bowl final agile response to the lights going out, combining data and the trends in that together with a real-time response through a campaign that was effectively architected so quickly around, you can dunk in the dark. Things like Coca-Cola, who are using data and the signals from sort of digital channels to think about how they personalize campaigns. So it's not just about replacing the iconic logo on pack with people's first names, but actually seeding that into the right digital environments and using the data and the signals that they're getting from that to architect better experiences for consumers.